Josh getting his tea. Is it flat? Let's have a look. Yeah, it's probably pheasant. Yeah.
How old do you reckon it is?
It's worth a few fucking quid.
Today I was driving through Mosley and I found a bit of a pheasant that had been killed in the road. It's still warm when I picked it up, so it's a fresh one. So yeah, I'm gonna process it, gonna pluck it, gonna gut it, and I'm gonna cook it. First remove the head and the feet. Then heat up some water. I'm gonna put it in some hot water to loosen feathers up. There's the head and the feet. Pretty grim, but this is life. So the feathers are coming off alright. This is the so I've just submerged this in boiling water to loosen the feathers. I might have to go back in there in a minute. But, for all you vegans out there, I mean, this meat, in my opinion, is ethical. No one paid for this animal to die. This animal died in an accident. For all you meat eaters out there who buy your fucking meat from the supermarket, just because you know, if you could see that process of what it required to produce that meat, you wouldn't want to see it, because it involves shit like this. Jesus Christ. Feathers. So according to my grandma, who I've not spoken to in like 20 years because she's dead now, there's a certain organ in this body that you don't want to split, like the bowel. So I'm trying to get this out relatively in one piece, and I'm going to feed it to my cat. In the supermarkets, like chicken, all washed, all clean, all good. 2 wings, 2 legs, and a chest. Now to get my pheasant out of the oven. That's not looking. That's definitely cooked. It's actually not bad, you know. Tastes like chicken. It's a bit more chewy. A lot more chewy. But looks familiar. You want?